So, you want to learn coding, huh? Well, some of it's math, and lots of it's abstract. If you want to code games, you better understand this: degrees and angles. Now, buckle up, because here we go. Here's a common game theme: blasting stuff with spaceship ray guns. But when we program it, we can get lost with all the turns and remembering which way we're facing. It starts out easy. We shoot the way we're looking. But the more we turn, the harder it can get. For example, now, I'm upside down and forwards downwards. The thing is, we need to think about which way the spaceship is facing, not us. It's a matter of perspective. The pilot is the first person, not the programmer. Now you better click the next video on X and Y coordinates to really get gaming. Check out these other suggested videos too.
The world is a
remix.